Welcome back to Low Stress Math with Mrs. Bono. We are in Unit 6, Solving Systems of Equations, Lesson 3, Independent Practice. Set them equal. That's what we've been doing. Okay, so this is on page 17. If you did not try these problems, do them now, please. Okay, welcome back, and let's graph some things. So, highlighter first. Grab that highlighter and highlight your y's. Why? Because I just told you to. You're not funny, Bono. You know what? I'm also going to highlight my y-intercepts because I'm going to just highlight the b at the back. There we go. The b at the back. And let's do this one first. The b here, for beginning, we're going to begin at -1. So down here at -1, I'm going to put a point. I get more points by, oh dear, I'm such a fool. I did not look. There is no number here, so I have to put my own 1. So my m is 1 over 1, so I'm going to rise 1 and run 1. I'm going to rise over run, rise 1, run 1, rise 1, run 1, all the way across. Do. And connect the dots, because I got lots and lots of dots. I got enough dots. I'm just full of dots today. Here we go. All the way across. Arrows on both sides. And now I'm going to do the next one. I'm going to switch colors. B for this one is +3. And to get more points, I'm going to do 3 over 1. So I'm going to rise 3, and I'm going to run 1. And both of these numbers are positive, so rise and run is positive. Start here at, x is -1. No, x is 3. What are you doing, Bono? What I'm doing is something stupid. I got my 3 here. It's not 3, Bono. That's -1. I'm glad I caught it before I started graphing. I could have made a mess of my paper. Good thing I try to check these things as I'm going along. Here we go. It's -1. -1, Bono, -1. I am going to rise 1, but I'm going to run left because it's negative. Almost messed it up. Rise 1, run left 1. Rise 1, run left 1. Rise 1, run left 1. Oh, I got a lot of points, but I know me. I like lots of points. So I'm going to go down 1 and right 1, continuing the pattern all the way across my whole graph. And, look at that. Connect all those nice dots. Dotty dot, 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 dotty dot, 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 dot. Here we go. Arrows, arrows. And I'm going to put some highlight over here because I'm going to write my answer over here. You know, I like to highlight that. And this is y equals -x plus 3. And this one is y equals x minus 1. And where do they cross? 2, +1. So circle that and write it down. 2, +1. There we go. Not so bad, not so bad. We're all done with that problem. La 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 la. Here we go. Start with the b at the back, which is 6. And the m, which is positive, thankfully, 4 over 1. So here we go. Start with the 6. And I cannot rise 4. So what I need to do is reverse both of these. Instead of rise, I'm going to go down. And instead of run to the right, I'm going to go left. So look, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, run to the left, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, run to the left, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, run to the left, 4. Now, before I go any further, I'm going to check to make sure I do have rise 4, run 1, starting at the bottom. 1, 2, 3, 4, rise, 1, run 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, rise, run 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, run 1. So I actually do have it graphed correctly. And when I have to reverse things like that, I always, today is a day of double checking. You want to make sure you're doing it right. Arrows on both sides. And now, and now, and now, and now. I'm looking at this. B equals 2, and m equals 2 over 1. I'm going to rise 2 and run 1. Okay, so start here at b equals 2, rise 2, run 1, rise 2, run 1. More points. Down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1. Yeah, I like it better when I put more points and then I can actually see where they cross before I draw my line. Okay, and the red line is y equals 2x plus 2, and the black line is y equals 4x plus 6, sneaky 9. Circle where they cross. Get some highlight going here, Bono. Be bona fide. And where do they cross? -2, -2. Ta-da. Now it says on the bottom, confirm the same answers algebraically. Oh, I know how to do that. That's setting them equal. So let's do that. Let's grab this ruler and split the paper in half with a little double line so that you don't end up with a big old mess of going into your second pair of equations. And larger x on the left, 1x minus 1 equals -1x plus 3. Oh my goodness, I forgot my x. I gotta sneak it in here. I said it, but I didn't write it. Gotta be careful. I move the smaller x to the larger x by adding 1x to both sides. All right. X plus x is 2x. Minus 1 equals 1x and -1x is 0. Bring down the 3. Okay. I'm going to add 1 to both sides. So what you do to one side of the equal sign, you have to do to the other side. And you get 2x equals 4. Ha! Look at that. That looks good. Divide both sides by 2. And you get x equals 2. Yay! We got an x. Now all we need is a y. Why? Because you have to have x and y to have a coordinate pair to have a solution to a system. Wow, that was a lot. I'm going to pick the first one. Y equals x minus 1 because it's positive, and I like it better when my x is positive. So y equals 2 minus 1. Two minus 1 is 1. Y equals 1. And a little more highlight because I have x is 2, y is 1, but I still have to write it as a coordinate pair. Here we go. 2, 1. Look at that. It's the same answer, 2, 1, 2, 1. So now I know I did them both correctly. Yay me, I can math. All right, on to the next. 4x plus 6 equals 2x plus 2. And I am going to subtract x from both sides. -2x, -2x. 4 minus 2 is 2x plus 6 equals 2 minus 2 is 0. Bring down the 2. Okay, so now I can subtract 6 from both sides. And look at that. I get 2x equals -4. Ah, that's good. Divide by 2, divide by 2. X equals, well, 2 divided by 2 is 1. X equals -4 divided by 2 is -2. So far, we're on a good track. All right. So then I just have to pick one of the equations. Last time I took the top one. This time I'll take the bottom one because it just doesn't matter which one you choose. Y equals 2x plus 2. Y equals 2 times -2 plus 2 plus 2. 2 times -2 is -4. Y equals -4 plus 2. The signs are different, so you subtract. 4 minus 2 is 2. But 4 is bigger and 4 is negative, so it's -2. And now I have y is -2. give me my highlighter because I have an answer. -2, -2. I'm gonna need some room here. Highlight this. Ba-doo, ba-doo, ba-doo. My answer is -2, -2. And now I can check. Look at that, -2, -2. I got the same answer. I checked it, it's correct. So that is the first page of the independent practice. I will talk to you again soon. Take care.